Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, we have this case from Amazon. It's for their Fire tablet, and of course as you can see here, it does say on the product information it's Fire HD 10 for the Pro tablet. It comes in pink, and of course this makes a great tablet case for kids. Now one of the things is, while it may be designed for the Fire tablet, you can actually use it on other 10-inch tablets. So in case you cannot find a proper tablet case, I think they should work for almost any 10-inch tablet. So you can actually get it. Alright, so you can see it comes with a handle. It feels like a rubberized foam, except very stronger, and it's very flexible. It should be excellent in case of drops. You can check out the edges. It has very thick padding and covering. It comes with a kickstand at the back. Alright, there's a great carrying case here for kids to carry, and there's a kick out stand to get it off the ground. Now for specific tablets with the camera in the back right section should work, and of course doesn't really matter if it blocks out the camera on some devices. You may have to work with that just for the protection. If your tablet doesn't have a specific case, you may be able to take the risk. You can pick this up for like $15. It comes with two kickstands on the back, as I said, and of course here there's nothing on this side. There is the base here, it has the cutout for the ports, everything clear. Nice handle. There's a bezel here towards the side, section for the screen at the center, and of course there's the back here, which is gripped, rubberized, nice. Alright, so I've gone and removed the plastic. As you can see here, it is very nice. There's the inner section here, and of course there's the back, more clearly seen now. I like that it has this carrying case at the side. Here you can actually set up your tablet to fit everything in nicely. If you want to see the insert information, there you go, the product information that you can see there. And of course this section is easily removable. I'm not sure what this is. This might just be a section to cradle it properly before placing it in, to give you a rigid frame that will go with the case itself. So it gives you options to slide in the case itself and have this rigid section here. It separates easily and should fit together to fit almost any 10-inch tablet. Alright, so I'll end the unboxing, quick review here of this device. Alright, so it's very solid. I would not worry much about dropping it with this. However, you may need a screen protector in case it falls directly on the face. But however, it's protecting every other section. Alright, so see you in the next one. Bye.